Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to update your Android phone. First, open Settings. Scroll down and look for System. Then tap System Update. Now you'll see two options. Online Update. On many phones, you can tap Check for updates to see if there's a new version available. If there is, follow the prompts. Next is Local Update. These options let you install an update file that you've already downloaded into your phone. Inside, you'll see internal shared storage where the update file, often with a zip extension, should be saved. You just select it and the phone will begin installing. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Wait for the download and installation to finish, then restart your phone if needed. Updates are important because they fix bugs, add new features, and improve security. For example, a new update might give you better battery optimization or protect you from malware.